So this is how you can write a script for your YouTube videos. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for YouTube. Today you will learn how to easily write scripts for videos on your channel. Go ahead and open up a browser. It can be any browser, Safari, Google, or whatever, and then type chatgpt.com or just ChatGPT. So click on the first link that says chatgpt.com and then wait for it to load. Now, you can go ahead and type whatever prompt you want. Just copy what I type so you can have the best results. Now, your script might have a different genre that you would want because not everyone has the same YouTube channel, not everyone has the same genre. So you can go ahead and specify for ChatGPT. For example, I want a scary script for a scary YouTube channel. So in general, you're just going to want to type whatever you want ChatGPT to do. Like I said, make me a script for my YouTube channel. The theme of my channel is scary stories. I want to post a scary YouTube video where I just say scary stories because there's a lot of those. So go ahead and tap on send, and then he will start writing the script for me. As you can see, this is going to be a long script. You can ask ChatGPT to make it longer or shorter or however you like. But it's very fast and easy. All you have to do is type whatever you want it to do, and ChatGPT will do it for you. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.